Kidney cancer is very special type of cancer in various regards. Like it is one of the most lethal form of cancers known. Various type of therapies like what we call as radiation therapy or chemotherapy, which are injections, they don't work on kidney cancer. So it narrows down our choices to surgery. Or there are some other medicines now available which can control this cancer to some extent. But by and large, kidney cancer is a surgical cancer. The surgeries are when we are able to detect the cancer in an early stage. Now, ultrasound is being done for various other reasons, and we are able to detect cancer in this early stage. In these cases, the kidney preserving surgeries are done, which means that we only remove the cancer from the kidney and let the kidney be inside the body and let it be functioning. But if the cancer is more advanced, suppose it has engulfed the blood supply of kidney, or if it has engulfed more than half of the kidney, or it is trying to go out of the kidney and involve the surrounding areas, in that case, the whole kidney needs to be sacrificed. So the tumor comes out along with the kidney. In a more extreme form, when the tumor tends to go into the large blood vessels, it's called vena cava, or it causes nodes in the surrounding areas, we not only need to take the kidney out, we need to take that the tumor from the vena cava out, and we need to take those nodes out from the surroundings. It becomes a more complex situation. But it being a surgical tumor, we need to debulk the body of the tumor bulk as much as possible. There are some other minimal invasive form of ablative therapies for patients who are either too old or frail for undergoing surgery, or those who don't want surgery. These are called ablative therapies. Most studied is called cryotherapy. Cryo means freezing. So in this, by a special technique, the tumor is frozen. And once it is frozen, it tends to be engulfed by the body's immunity. The other is called, it is heated up so much that it is like killed. It is called radio frequency ablation. Or there are some other form of ultrasonic treatment. But apart from a small group of patients, most will require surgical extirpation. The surgeries are done by either open surgery, like conventional, in which a big cut is there on the body, or by minimally invasive, or the keyhole surgery, or what we call as laparoscopic surgery, in which only small holes are created, the whole surgery is done, and by a small cut, the tumors are taken out. The laparoscopic surgery can be done by hands directly or by robotic assistance. Robotic assistance is available in various parts of the world. The advantage of minimally invasive over open surgery is that it is causing less pain because the cutting on your body are small. It is more friendly in the sense it has been found that blood loss is less. You come back to your work earlier. However, there are some circumstances when the tumor is too big and it has involved various areas surrounding the kidney, in which a big cut has to be made.